Welcome to this lesson. The objective of completing this lesson, you will understand the relationship between the light direction source and its impact on the nearby object. Second, apply different techniques and material to your shading. First, pick any circle object or draw by your hand 3 circles that we will shade later. For the first circle, we will choose the technical pencil to shade it with. For light direction source, we will go with the upper left. Always pick the farthest spot that away from the light source to shade first, because it will be the darkest area. And then decide the range of your shading. Where is your shading and where is your light source? We always start by shading the areas that is the farthest from the light source, and that it will be in the darkest shading density. And as we close to the light, come close to the light, we will shade it in a lighter manner. Then we will smudge it with a piece of tissue or cotton clothes, or any material you have for smudging. Be sure that all of it are smudged nicely, and the darkest area also where you see that is the dark space. Now we will go the light source from the upper middle. First we will pick the shade area and the light area. We will decide the circle, and we will start by adding the shade from the farthest area from the light source. And we start shading from down to up. We increase the density of the shading in the down. Until we reach up. And always try that they stay in the same tone. So continue until we fill the area we decided that we shade. Now we will use a mix between smudging all the area nicely. Use the eraser to emphasize the light source and then smudge around it. Now we will use a regular pencil to increase the dark intensity. So we emphasize this is the farthest point from the light, so it's supposed to be the darkest area in the object. So we are mixing both of technical pencils and the regular pencil. Now we will use only a regular pencil and choose the direction of the light from the side. We first choose where is our light and where is our shading gonna be. So the farthest area is the darkest area always. We pressure too hard on the pencil. In the farthest area and pressure too little in the closest area to the light. Then we smudge it. Now it's done. This is how you can relate from the light source to an individual object. So this is uh, how you pressure your pencil from darkest to light shade. And that's it. Hope to see you in the next lesson.